peeps. I've been quietly settling into our new space these past couple of months and taking some time to rest as well. But I've missed you all so much, and I'm so excited to finally bring you into this next cozy season with me. Today, I'm starting in the kitchen. It was cluttered, chaotic, and honestly a little bit overwhelming. As you guys can probably tell, yes, I have came down with a little cold. It always starts when the kids go back to school, of course, 2 to 3 weeks in. But I needed a reset, so I worked slowly and intentionally, clearing one area at a time. These vases that I had up here, I was trying to debate where did I want to put them at in my house. I am decorating for fall, but at the same time, I'm trying to figure out how I want to decorate this home while we're here for the next couple of years. So for right now, I'm just going to move everything to the steps because that's where my closet is that I store all my decor pieces at. And we'll go from there. Okay, so I have these vases here. I already cleaned them. My plan is to set them on the sideboard up under my TV. So it's gonna be these two right here with two pillar candles in them, which I've already used that before, and I use these as well for my natural flowers. So if you guys probably seen them in my shorts, but let me put them away. There's something about a clean stove that resets the whole kitchen for me. I like working in sections. If you've been here for a while, you already know. It keeps me from feeling overwhelmed. It makes me feel more productive and get things done around my home. I don't like coming in and seeing my home a mess and chaotic. So if I work in sections, it helps. So if you haven't tried it, give it a try and let me know how it works out for you. Removing all the clean dishes out of the dishwasher and placing them into the cabinets where they belong. It's small progress, but this part always brings back the sense of peace and calmness because I don't know, it's just something about when you hit your 30s. This is just things that you like to see done and cleaned and your cabinets organized nicely with all the dishes in there, not in the sink or the dishwasher or in the kids' room. for my favorite part, adding just a few fall touches. I'm still figuring out how I want to decorate this home, so I'm starting simple. Adding in some hydrangeas that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to put some things that I've already had, like my cookbooks, placing them right here. Found this little gold pumpkin in my storage, and then I added in just a nice little tea towel from Hobby Lobby as well. Okay, over here, I just put my lamp right there. I bought up the cord a little bit, and then I brought in this board right here. It's a little redder than my cabinet, so I'm not for sure if I really like it, but we're just gonna have to go hunting for something different over here in this corner. Marble utensil holder back in here. This is the kitchen. Put these, I'm thinking here. More style. Just to style it a little bit. And these bowls. I picked up this candle last year from Homegoods. It's probably still on here too. Yep. So it was $7.99. Put it here for right now. We are working in sections. Now, I wasn't going to clean these cabinets at first because I just cleaned them 2 days ago. But then I noticed food and fingerprints. So we have to get that clean. And if you don't look hard, you will not notice it in these dark oak cabinets. You just won't. So we're going to go ahead and get it cleaned, and we're going to move to the next thing. Before I do a little bit more fall decorating in here, I need to wipe down the coffee pot, fridge, and the air fryer, and of course, the rest of my countertops. Now, I can't stand this air fryer sitting out at all. And then it doesn't look clean to me. Even on camera, I'm looking at it, I'm like, it doesn't look clean. My kids don't use it as much as I thought they would. So I just need to put it up in the pantry, and when they want to bring it out, they could just sit it back in this spot because I don't even like it sitting there. But anyway, we moved over here to the coffee pot side, and I'm just gonna clean everything up over here, and then we'll clean the fridge and the sink and the rest of the counters. Finished off the microwave and gave the oven a quick clean. Then I ran outside just for a little peace and calmness, hence my hair. Well, I ran out earlier too, so but it started stormy, and I love when it storms. And we don't get that much in Dallas. So when it does, I'm all over it, or I'm just trying to find me a space to go sit somewhere and be quiet. Don't let it thunderstorm. When it starts thunderstorming that, the rule is you turn the lights off, you turn the TV off, and you go somewhere and you sit down and you pray and you just be quiet. Okay? At least that's what my grandmother used to say. I'm also going to do a little reset in the dining room. I moved a few things, cleared the table, and yes, I am showing you all a quick peek at my new Adidas for the game season. I am in love with these shoes. The next morning, I styled one of my favorite vases with some of my favorite fall stems. You guys know these. These are the popular kids. Anyway, I will link what I can down below. These stems are beautiful by themselves, but I wanted to spice it up a little bit by adding in these Hobby Lobby stems that I got. I just had them laying around and I wanted something new. I got this checkerboard riser from Magnolia Home and I just love it. So I'm adding it right next to it. Then I got this tea towel. Do not ask me where I got it from because I have no clue. I'm just gonna put it on here and then I'm like, no, that's not the way I want it to look. So I went ahead, opened it up, shook it a little bit and threw it across the riser just to give it a more lived in look. Afterwards, adding in our wicker basket from Hobby Lobby as well and our pine cones. And later on, I might switch it up for some fruit. I'm going to go ahead and add in my brass candle holder. It's the claw. I'll add it below as well. And this beautiful brown candle that I found. I love the smell. It's not perfect, it's still in progress, but it's finally starting to feel like home. Thank you for being here, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you love cozy, lived in spaces like this one. And until next time, I love you all so much.